So this is the Pictron Mini Tripod from Ulanzi. And I gotta say, I've actually come to like this a lot. For one, it has this really nice, sleek form factor that is just ultra portable and compact. And this is also one of the skinniest Arca-Swiss plates that I've seen out there. So pretty dope. You get this little mini one by default. But the feature that I like the most about this mini tripod is the fact that it has multiple adjustment points or adjustable height. So if I open this up, you'll hear like a slight click or whatnot, and it locks in at the first height, which is fairly tall if you want to position something, but it also has another height. If you pinch, if you pull down and pinch, you can get these legs to lower even further. Boom. Because it's spread out, it has even more coverage area, which means it's even that sturdier for putting your camera on it, or if you just wanted a lower angle pointing up or something like that. Now, I don't typically use the Arca-Swiss plate that comes with it because my camera supports the ability to, the small rig cage from, supports the ability to have a built-in Arca-Swiss plate. And so, boom, that's essentially what it looks like. So boom. So I'm gonna go ahead and raise this back, and that's what we're working with. Another aspect that I like about this mini tripod is if you use up if you're rocking like a slim cage design on your camera and you only have your one hot shoe mount and you occupy that, well, this gives you the ability to add in another hot shoe mount accessory. So it comes in handy if you still had additional NATO rail accessories that you wanted to mount to your camera. Like in this case, it opens up the ability for you to potentially record to an SSD. So pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, folks, well, that essentially rounds out my thoughts regarding the Pictron Mini Tripod from Ulanzi. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel to stay tuned for future videos. If you're curious at all about checking out this mini tripod, I will have links in the description. But as always, folks, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.